Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you guys are staying safe, and I wish you and your family the best during these tough times right now. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be changing out my transmission and diff fluid. So let's get that started. I will link what you need down below. And would you look at that? Look at those headlights. I love them headlights. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, this is the front transmission and differential. Is up here, that is the fill plug, which is a 10mm Allen, like I said before. Then there's the drain plug, 10mm Allen. And then another drain plug up there, which is the T70 Torx. Okay, now we're letting that one drain, and then we'll take out the Torx bit. Alright, I got that bottom drain bolt back in. Now we're going to take this big one out, the big boy here. It's always the funnest part, guys. Getting oil everywhere. Not too bad that time. I'll let that drain. Alright, now we got all the junk cleaned off this. This is magnetic. Catches all metal shavings and all that good stuff. We'll put her back in. Try not to drop it in the oil. It's always fun. Torque everything down here next. Except for the fill. Get this oil out of here. Get it all cleaned up. Torque everything down. Then we'll fill it up. So, the 10mm bolts. Ow, damn. The 10mm, okay, so the 10mm Allen bolts will be torqued at 32 foot-pounds. Now, the Torx 70, the big boy, that gets 52 foot-pounds. Perfect. Alright guys, so now take the handy dandy pump I bought for this, shove it in the fill hole, and start pumping. It's going to take a lot. I think it's 3.5 quarts for the front here. Okay, now we'll get the bolt back put on and we're good to go. Alright guys, so you need to make sure you take the fill cap off first, because if you can't fill it and you empty it, you're screwed. So you push on this here and you pull that clip out like that, and we'll get that up out of the way. You need a 24mm deep socket to get back in there. Breaker loose. There we go. That should come out nice and easy. Now, yeah. 17mm to take out the drain bolt. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we'll get the drain plug back in now that we're done draining her. And the torque specs are 36 foot-pounds for both of these two. Perfect. This one takes about a quart, maybe a little bit more. So I'll get this filled up, guys, and then we'll torque that back on there to 36 foot-pounds. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. It's really a pretty simple job, and I put some better gear oil in. Check out the headlights. Meteor shower show. Alright guys, see you on the next one.